Hi guys, Oscar here. Today I'm going to revisit a topic with the DJI Mavic Mini, the original Mavic Mini. So I recently went ahead and pulled the Mini to fly it, and I received the error once again that the propellers were spinning too fast on the rear. So I went ahead and changed the propellers brand new. I placed them brand new and the problem resolved. So I have made previous videos about this. I have done an extensive research, and this DJI Mini or DJI Mavic Mini, the original Mavic Mini, it's actually brand new because I sent the original product back to DJI and they found that there was a problem. Uh, so they went ahead and replaced it. And this is a brand new unit that I have here. So here's a brand new unit. Anyways, I recently started flying the drone once again, and I got the error. I started from scratch. I went ahead and replaced the propellers. I updated the firmware. I calibrated the IMU, and I went ahead and checked to see if there's any updates. So I went ahead and flew the Mini once again, and the error was gone. So I started thinking that the Mini 2 does not include the same case that the original Mini included. And it includes the same case that the Mavic Air 2 includes. In addition, the Mini 2 includes this type of guard. Okay, so what I did, I went ahead and bought the propeller guard straight from DJI, and this is what I got, and I actually paid $13, which is very affordable. And I'm like, okay, let's go ahead and keep digging into the problem. So I started looking at the case that was included with the original Mini, and if you don't put or if you don't fold the propellers specifically how it's supposed to go here in the case, then the propellers are going to start hitting this right here, and you're going to end up with the propellers bending. So I think that's the actual problem. Now, if we look at the picture right here that is included with the case, it says that you have to fold it pretty nicely, but once you are carrying the drone and so on, the drone is going to move and things are going to move and you're going to end up with the same problem. So I went ahead and invested $13, and this propeller guard, it looks just like the one that comes with the Mini 2. It looks just like it. Now, we run into another problem. The other problem is that with this propeller guard, the Mini is not going to fit. So it won't fit in here. It has trouble fitting in there. So what I have done, I have actually gone into Craigslist, and you can find it on eBay as well. I got a DJI bag. This looks just like the Mini 2 bag, and this is the original one. So you can see it right here. You can go ahead and fit everything in there. So that's what I did. I went ahead and bought a bag I actually got it from Craigslist for $10. Now I can fit the Mini in the bag just like the Mini 2. And so far it has not given me any trouble. I think it was a designed error, but it's usually user's error because we have to go ahead and fit it pretty well. If you guys have any questions or suggestions or anything that I could help you guys with, please feel free to leave a comment just below. Please click like, subscribe, and I will be bringing more videos to help you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.